Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to the video. I'm going to be getting my tints done on the windows, the back windows. Looking for 20%, so you'll see what that looks like. This side's already a bit tinted, so we're going to take this off. So we're going to do the back 3 windows and leave the front ones, as the insurance won't let me do it. Inshallah. So we're going to do 20%, which should allow enough light at night so you can see out. So 20% will look about 10% at night. If you get 15s, they'll look about 5% at night, which is near to impossible to see.
Show them what it's going to be like.
That's not 10. That's not 20.
No, it's 0.
That's Dastra. That's not 0.
I don't know what it is.
It can't be 5 either. I don't know what it is. I don't know what yours is.
Mine's
So yeah.
too good.
So this is the before and after. We're going to get the tail lights tinted as well. But we're going to do them ourselves, so look forward to that. Oh, we've already made a video, so probably won't even show it. So we're going to tint them ourselves to make it darker. If you watch my last ages ago video, you'll see that we made it dark, but it wasn't dark enough, so we're going to do it even darker. So all 3 will match, and we're going to get these done as well. The reflectors and these reflectors here. We will show you the end result. Alright guys, the tints are done now. So these are 20% tints. As you can see, you can barely see anything inside. You just see a tiny outline there. It's fully dark. 20% tint. So that's really good. I'll show you what it looks like inside in a second. So these are the back headlights. We're doing the headlights as well. We did them ourselves. We did these ones we didn't do. We got that done. All the windows were done by people, professionals. Done the reflectors to a dark standard as well. These are the tail lights tinted. Third brake light's been tinted. So this has been tinted as well. The back screen 20% as well. You can see tiny bubbles everywhere, but he said a few days and it should go itself. Should dry out and then should go. So this is this side. So this side you can see a bit more in, because that side it has a bit of a frosted glass. And there's your low. There's no tint, factory tint, which is nothing. And this is 20% tint. So the lower the number, the darker it is basically, guys. It's the opposite way around. Okay. Just tell the driver to show you the lights. Okay. So as you can see, these are the how it's going to look at night. There's the brake lights. You can clearly see them. Okay. Once you move so long, there you go. Fog lights working fine. So as you can see everything through it still. It's really good, and it gives a nice look to it when it's all off. Should do the hazards next. Yep. And the reverse light. So all the lights are working. Once it decides to do it. Okay. There's a reverse light. Everything looks fine. The third brake light looks amazing. Yeah. Alright. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Put it back in park. Is it back in park?
Yeah, back in park, and I didn't touch it.
Alright. Auto, wait. Will that turn it off now? Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with nothing on. Let me turn this off. Not off. Alright. So this is what it looks like with no lights on. It's a bit darker in person, but that is a really nice darkness. I like it a lot. The chrome Volkswagen stands out, but that's staying. We're still keeping it like that because I'm going to do diamond cut alloys here. So I'm going to get Caddies, 18-inch Caddies alloys or something similar. Hopefully I can get the Caddies. So then you can see these calipers better as well. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. 20% tint. So with this tint I can't open any windows or anything for 3 days, and you shouldn't smoke as well. So the tint all is inside. So this is how dark it is inside. It's a bit darker in person. It is a bit harder to see in the day as well, but because it's sunlight right now, as you can see, so that's quite dark. But for 20% it's alright, you can still see. And for nighttime performance, I've not checked out yet, but I've got reverse lights, reverse cameras and stuff, so it should be alright. Anyways guys, there's my tints done. There's going to be a lot more modifications to come, but it's going to be a while. So yeah, just have to wait till my insurance runs out so I can do everything. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.